Hello and welcome to Zephyrs PSM Training Echo tutorial. In today's session 5, we'll discuss OmniSense software live mode preferences. This will describe user preferences, or an overview of markers, sessions and session names, safety zones, training tabs, and speed zones.
In this chapter, we will overview user preferences, including markers, sessions, session names, safety zones, training tabs, and speed zones. Keep in mind, for a quick reference, you can access our user manual by clicking on the question icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen. In OmniSense, you can name your different training sessions, research sessions, or exercise sessions. To do so, click on the Preferences icon at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Scroll down to Session Names and add New Session. Once you've added the name, click Save. To change the name of your session, click on the drop-down tab and select the name of the session, and then click on the check mark icon to accept. Markers can be used to show changes during the course of a workout. For example, a soccer coach may have 5 or 6 different drills during the course of a practice. A marker can be used for each drill so a coach then knows when they go into analysis when the change occurred and what to expect from his players. To change these markers, go into Preferences and scroll down to Markers. Here we can change the name as well as add new markers. Once you've finished, click Save. To access these markers, click on the drop-down tab and select the name of the marker you would like to use. This marker will now show up in Analysis. Safety, training, and speed zones may also be customized. To access this, again, click on the Preferences tab and scroll down to Safety Thresholds. Here we can change the value of your elevated heart rate and breathing rate and core body temperature. By changing these parameters, the software will then alert you when one approaches these thresholds. To accept these changes, click Save. Training zones may also be customized. To do so, click on the Training Zones tab. In OmniSense, there are 5 different training zones: blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Currently, these are the default values of heart rate percentage at anaerobic threshold. These may also be changed. Once the changes have been made, to accept, click Save. Using our GPS device with our BioHarnass, we can also use speed zones. These speed zones may also be customized. There are 6 different speed zones within OmniSense. To change any of these, simply click on the box to change the value. Once changes have been made, please click Save. In OmniSense, a coach can use training zones during the course of the workout. Like the BioGauge, we can select the Training tab. To customize this gauge, we access the Preferences tab once again. We scroll to Gauge Settings, and we select Training. Here we can view parameters such as heart rate, HRV, load, and intensity, as well as many others. Once changes have been made, please click Save. This tab will show, rather than using numerical data to show workload during a training session, we can use color-coordinated training zones so the coach can easily see if his or her players are performing at the level in which they want them to perform.